Hey everybody, happy Monday morning. Let's get the week started off right. This is Spencer with Barwood Cabinets, and these videos are Monday morning mistakes with cabinets. We see a lot of things come through our doors, and mistakes is the one thing we try to stop and avoid so people can save their money, save their time, and the end user can be 100% happy. So one of the things we see often, you have an appliance. This one we're going to show you is the oven. Everybody thinks they're standard sizes. There's no such thing as standard anymore. The typical size would be a 30-inch oven to go in an oven cabinet. We hear this phrase when people come to us, I have a 30-inch oven, I need a 30-inch cabinet. Well, you're actually wrong. You have a 30-inch oven, you need a 33-inch size oven cabinet. Reason why, dealing with face frame cabinets. When you're dealing with a face frame, here's your face frame of the cabinet itself. This is your face frame. And if you have a 30-inch appliance in a 30-inch cabinet, when putting the appliance in, you're going to cut into the construction in the framing box of that cabinet. You don't want to do that. That tears up the stability, durability, and the strength of the cabinet. So if I have a 30-inch oven, I'm going to get a 33-inch wide cabinet. That gives me the extra so I don't cut into the construction of the cabinet. Makes it a lot better and a lot stronger. And actually gives a better look because it outlines the appliance itself. When dealing with this, remember, your appliance, go up to the next size. If you have a 27-inch oven, go to a 30-inch cabinet. If you have a 30-inch oven, go to a 33-inch cabinet. This will help you in your designs, kitchens, and overall it looks better. If you're dealing with a frameless cabinet, you want to make sure you have the right size. This face frame would not be there. It would be frameless, but you still have a 3/4 inch piece of the box going down. So you have to accommodate for that. Same thing, if you have a 30-inch opening or a 30-inch appliance, you want to have a step up of a 33-inch cabinet. Hope this helps you out today. Hope it helps you avoid any mistakes. You can always feel free to call us and we'll assist you and train you any way we can. Have a great week. See you then.